Hi everyone, welcome to a new iProcess webcast. Today I'd like to talk to you about a simple but powerful root cause analysis method, 5 whys. The root cause analysis is the process of assessing product defects or process problems to identify their systematic causes rather than just addressing the symptoms. The method is very simple. The question why is repeatedly asked and answered until the root cause is identified, typically 5 times. It is very useful in a team setting to encourage team members to identify and discuss the chain of symptoms and their causes. When the root cause is identified, validate by asking backwards if fixing the root cause would solve my problem. If the answer is no, keep investigating. The best way to showcase this method is with an example. Here's the problem. Customer reports that wall chargers break after 1 year, way before the end of their designed lifetime. First why. Why do wall chargers break? The number of charge cycles is way higher than the design cycle number. Second why. Why are the cycles that high? The car continues to start and stop charging when reaching the desired state of charge. The third why does the car start and stop? Due to fluctuation in state of charge, it bounces 0.1% above and below the charge threshold. Side note here, if the next why would be about the fluctuation in the state of charge, the answer would be due to physical effects, and this would be the end of the root cause analysis. But there is no solution possible here, so we have to go back and ask a different question. Hence, the fourth why. Why is the software charge requests bouncing on and off? Because it was designed with the same exact threshold for charging start and stop. Fifth why. Why was software designed like that? Because specifications were incomplete. No hysteresis for the charging threshold was specified. It appears that the root cause is incomplete specification. Let's validate it. If the specifications were complete, containing the hysteresis, the wall charger would not break after 1 year. Problem solved. For a successful root cause analysis workshop, consider the following best practices. Don't focus on mistakes and finger pointing during team discussions. If improvement actions can be taken for intermediate steps, take them. Sometimes you reach the root cause after 3 whys, and other times 7 whys might be necessary. During team discussions, as a moderator, write down all the answers from the team members for every why. Eventually, they will converge on the root cause. Always use common sense and logic. If something doesn't make sense, keep digging, rephrase the question, and so on. Once you master the 5 whys, you can move on to 3 times 5 whys or 3-legged 5 whys, which also looks at why the defect or problem was not detected and why the system or processes failed. In the above example, it could lead to additional process improvements in testing, for example, for detection and training as a result of system failure. In conclusion, doing the root cause analysis accurately helps to prevent defects in the later phases, and it is also a great method for learning. iProcess can help with guidance and support for process improvement based on ASPICE and other industry standards and models. We are not only telling you what you did wrong, we can help fix it.